Manav. Today I'm going to show you how to make this a boat. Please subscribe and take to my channel and click the bell button so you can see one of nice videos like this. Let's get started. To make it, first I'll show you what all things you need. We need 2 strips of color paper, 7 of them, and one glue. First you have to take one strip and place it like this. You have to leave some gap. And when it is done, it will look like this. Every strips of paper, different color, you have to keep it alternated, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, or you can do bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Now we have to keep it like this. So you get alternated. To take this one, wave 3 each at side to side, and take a glue and stick here. Put much shiny glue so it can get sticked. And when the glue is done, take this one and fold it and keep like this. You have to do all of this like same one, like how I did this. Now I had stick all of them. Now you have to take a glue and take this yellow like this. And now our paper boat is ready. Swish, swing, swing. Thank you for watching my video and learning. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new videos. Stay safe. Bye.